Wow, I found another picture of my daughter when I took her to the Philippines and my son. This is my son. This is my son when he was in the Philippines. And my daughter was there. And this is memorable, guys. I made her ride the water buffalo. Oh, how cute. How cute. Look at her. Look at her. This is me when I was getting married to her father before. So he left me on the way to Samal Island and on a hammock in the Philippines. Yeah, this is memorable. What an awesome pound. This is an awesome pound. Thank you sa inyong mga manonood dito. Natutuwa ako kasi syempre malalaki na sila at nakalimutan na nilang pumunta sila sa Pilipinas nung bata pa sila. No? So, ito po yung anak kong lalaki. Ganun po ang kanyang edad. Pinatilyo nang dinala ko siya doon. Yan, nakapula ang buhok. Yan, si Brian.